I heard about this man. He came up to a Baptist pastor and said, "Pastor, my dog, he's passed away, and I'm wondering if you'd come to my house to have a funeral for him." The pastor said, "Sir, I can't come to your house and do a funeral for your dog." The man replies, "Well, that's too bad, because I was thinking of making a $5,000 donation to your ministry." The pastor says, "Why didn't you tell me your dog was baptized?" You're welcome. $14.3. All right, so I just got some firewood for our fire pit out there, and I'm gonna stack it all right now.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote
All right, so I got a tomato plant, so I'm gonna head outside and dig a hole and I'm gonna plant it. I'm excited. It's little mini tomatoes and it's different colors and we like tomatoes, so I'm gonna start with just one plant, see how it does, and then maybe I'll plant some more. So let's go outside and do that.